Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video I would like us to answer and solve this question. This is a 2016 paper 2 exam paper for the grade 9s. Okay, and you can find this paper on question, or should I say you can find this question on question 7A, and the question reads as follows: find the value of 1100 base 2 divided by 100 base 2, and you should give your answer in base 2. So the only digits that are required of us to use is 0 and 1 only, because in base 2 those are the only digits. So 100 divided into 1100, so that's the problem. So let us begin by answering. So 100 into 1, it cannot go there. 100 into 1, it can also not go in there because this is small. What of 100 into 110? Now this is a big number and this one clearly goes into 110. So we write 1, it goes in there one time. So that's the trick. When you discover that this number here can go into a certain number here, it's always going to be 1. Don't worry, what if it's always going to be 1. Just indicate 1. Okay, so 1. So now we multiply 1 multiplied by 100, it's going to be 100. So we indicate 100, and then we subtract. Okay, what is 0 minus 0? It is 0. What is 1 minus 0? It is 1. So we indicate 1. Okay, so now what we need to do here is subtract 1 minus 1. It is going to be 0, so there's no need of indicating there. So the final answer is 10. So now what we need to do here at this stage is divide 100 into 10. It cannot. When you discover that the number cannot go into this number, we drop a 0 from there. We drop it down like so. Then we try again. 100 into 100. Clearly it's 1, so we're going to indicate a 1. Then we multiply. 1 multiplied by 100, it's going to be 100. At this point we should subtract, and it's going to be 0. So whenever you end up with 0, all you have to do is stop your computation or calculation. That means that we have reached the conclusion. So this is the final answer. So the answer is 11 base 2. So that's the answer for this question.